Hi everybody, I am ready to do some science, so I thought I would share with you. So a few years ago, we were down and visiting my mom and dad, and they live down in Gulf Shores, Alabama, which is by the Gulf of Mexico. So while I was down there, we went by and I found this great big, ginormous pine cone. And today, while I was cleaning out one of my closets, I found this pine cone and I was like, wow, how cool is that? So I started like a scientist, really looking at it, really observing it to make me think about all the cool things I've never noticed before. So, as a scientist, I wanted us all to look at this pine cone and observe the pine cone and see what we notice. So can you take a look at it? I'm going to turn it around. And right now, you can tell somebody that's with you something about the pine cone, or you can just say it out loud to your computer. Notice it. Now, I'm going to show you another pine cone. I found this one today while I was on my walk. What do you notice about this pine cone? How is it the same as this one? How is it different? What do you see about it? Now this pine cone, I'm going to show it to you in a couple of days because I learned something about pine cones I had never known before. This pine cone was outside today in all that snow, so it's all wet. This pine cone is dry. I'm going to show you tomorrow, hopefully if it dries out, what happens when this pine cone gets dry. Now, so we've looked at the pine cones, we made some observations. In order to make an observation, you need to pay close attention to the things around you, and we have to think about the things that we notice. So right now, I want you either to look at the picture behind me at my room, or look around the room that you're sitting in and tell me, or tell your mom, or tell the room something that you notice about my room or your room. Okay, so right now, pause the video, look around, and notice something, observe something in your room or my room, and then share it with your mom or share it with the room, or you can write down your observation on the note list that's on Seesaw. Okay, hit pause. All right, great job with your observations. Now, right now, we're going to go do some observations around my house, and you can do some observations around your house. Remember, good scientists pay close attention to the world around them, and they try to notice different things. All right, so are we ready? I'm going to pick up my computer. We're going to go around. So let's see, what do we see here on my table? I have a tree on my table. Can we notice anything about that? All right, we're going to go this way. Here's the door that goes outside at my house. All right. Hi, guys. Here's me again. I'm going to open up the door while we walk. So this is the door that takes me outside. Oop, it's quite sunny. So this is our porch room. Do you see anything you can observe here? Do you notice anything? All right, I'm going to switch out. All right, do you see anything? Trying to hold it as steady as I can. Sorry, guys. All right. Okay, it's back on me. Hi. All right, we have to go through one more door. All right, we're going back in my backyard. Close the door. All right, let's see now. Can we see things? All right, so I'm going to walk around very carefully and slowly. And I'm going to put the camera on different things. If you see anything that you notice it. Try to remember it. You could write it down on a piece of paper. You're noticing. So here's some of my backyard. So we're just going to take a walk. Write things down. Write things that you notice. Draw pictures of it. You can even just say it out loud. All right. I notice right now, right here, these are my raspberries. Can you guys see them? I think you can. It's hard to tell. Can you guys see my raspberries? They are just starting to grow. And if I look at them very, very closely, I don't know if I can show you, they have little tiny thorns on them. So they get kind of stuck to my clothes when I touch them and they hurt a little bit. And the leaves are green, but the stems are kind of reddish, brownish. Some of them don't have any leaves on them at all. So I'm wondering if maybe those ones died over the winter and maybe I'll have to get new ones. So right now, I'm going to walk back inside. Actually, I'm going to just walk over to the table and we'll finish our lesson out here. Let's go over here. One thing I want you to do is, once again, you are going to pause the video and I want you to write down in the document that's attached on Seesaw some of the observations that you saw while we went around on our walk today. And I want you to write it as I observed. And I will put that on the document so that you can see. Then, once you're done doing that, you are welcome to take a nature walk or a house walk around your house and see what you can observe in your house. Okay? All right, I'll see you later. Bye.